sources tell me now that breakthrough cases or infections post-vaccination is on the rise in hotspot Kerala. In fact, 46% of India's total breakthrough infections after both vaccine doses are from Kerala. The breakthrough infections have been reported even from Wayanad, where 100% vaccination has already been done.
It is very important to highlight here that 46% of the breakthrough cases have been observed in Kerala post second dose. So out of the total 87,000 breakthrough cases are the ones where we see the vaccine dose being given to a person and yet they contract the COVID disease. Here in Kerala, when we asked about the number of COVID breakthrough after second dose, because there are cases taking place after first dose and also second dose. So both of the vaccine doses, when it is given to a person in Kerala, nearly 40,000 people have contracted this breakthrough infection, and in totality in India, more than 87,000 people have got this infection. So 46%, nearly 46% of the total breakthrough cases after second dose is being reported from Kerala. Not only this, the district of Wayanad, where first dose has been completely given to almost all of the eligible population, the breakthrough cases are being reported from there also. The transmission rate is high, and that is why it is a concern. Now, the health ministry sources clarify that out of the 200 genomic sequencing that has been done on the breakthrough cases, none of the breakthrough samples have seen any new variant of concern or interest, but because of the larger number of breakthrough cases, the suspicion of a variant definitely is there, and for that investigation is currently on, which means the genomic sequencing is taking place. It is important to highlight also that genomic sequencing is currently being focused for the state of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu also, because the breakthrough cases are also being seen there. So in a national scenario of the total breakthrough cases that we have seen post second dose in India, 46% of them are being reported from Kerala, and this is a worrisome trend, and that's why the breakthrough sample sequencing is also being done currently on priority basis.